everyone, this is Ina with Innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. On last episode, if you watch my soup, lentil soup with pumpkin, we use this delicious, beautiful, look at that pumpkin. It's called Calabaza. Any pumpkin you can use, any pumpkin. But this time of the year, I love to roast pumpkin as a side dish. It's so easy and simple, and it seems like so many people appreciate pumpkin and use only in sweets. But in my house, we do use pumpkin more in a savory dishes. I don't mind about sweets, and I will post next recipe. It's a sweet pumpkin dish, and I hope you will not miss that one as well. And for the ingredients, as starts the dish, of course, pumpkin, and already chopped up. It's about 8-9 cups, something like that. Half a pumpkin. Salt, pepper, and I'm using for the salt I'm using Celtic salt, and also another spice, it's coriander. Coriander is one of those spices you have to use whole. The reason why, because I never buy coriander ground, they don't stay fresh too long, and I got this one in local tea and spice shop downtown. If you're local, check it out. It's great quality spice, I love it. And another spice is paprika, all we needed, and garlic. Where's my garlic? Here. Here's the garlic. Coriander and garlic, they beautiful married together with pumpkin. I'm doing this for many years. I think every fall I do several times this dish, and my family loves. And for this spice mix, it's super simple. We need to add garlic, about 3 cloves of garlic, and the salt, very coarse. It helps us to grind everything. And now about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Look how beautiful paste we create. Gorgeous. And now you just pour over your pumpkins. And the best tool in the kitchen, get your hands. Go for it. Make sure everything coating and each piece has a lot of this paste. It's a super simple dish, and I'm sure your family will love it. Ideally, it has to be in one level. One layer. That's what we try to do. And now, put in an oven, 375 degrees for about 10-15 minutes. Depends how you cut, how you chop your pumpkins. And look at this. Beautiful, golden, shiny, all caramelization. You can see, and it's soft. Smell unbelievable. I wish you would be in my kitchen right now. Let's taste. So good. So good. This particular pumpkin is very sweet, and the flashes you see, it's very bright yellow. Any pumpkin will work, but particularly this one, I love it. So good. So yummy. Garlic, little bit of coriander, gorgeous flavor and great taste. Perfect for any entertainment during fall. Great as side dish for any dinner party. I hope you try this recipe soon. And as always, all recipes description below. Also similar related recipes, and I hope you will try them all soon. And on the end of the video, we always try to find out what we're going to make next time. pumpkin donuts. Thank you for watching. Give me a like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.